What is going on, everyone? Welcome to TJ Shop and Auto. Today we have this 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the internal features of this SUV here in a second. This one has 29,000 miles. Beautiful, beautiful black leather interior with some carbon fiber details. But before we get into it, let's go ahead and get a full walk around the exterior of this SUV, because it does hold a branded title, as do most of the vehicles we sell here. We have a team of builders in state and out of state that make sure that these cars are built back to factory form and that they are in perfect running and driving condition with absolutely no mechanical damage. Our vehicles also come with a third-party Blue Star inspection that allows you to have a view of the undercarriage of the vehicle, tire tread, coolant pressure, coolant level, brake fluid pressure, and brake fluid level, and everything else you need to make sure that you're comfortable purchasing a car from us. Now looking at the exterior here, I see no panel gaps. I can see that there's factory PPF on the paint as well, so paint protection film. With this being the TRD Off-Road package, as you can see, we'll have the upgraded suspension, upgraded tires, upgraded level kit, and as you can see here, we also have the upgraded metal skid plate. Let's go ahead and finish this walk around here on our turntable. We also see some roof racks on the top, TRD Off-Road badging, fog lights, as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. All right, so right on the door panels, you will find this black leather with some red stitching, all auto windows, which is fantastic. This is like a really good feature. Here we have our power seats. And here on the left side, we will find the switch to turn on our AC adapter to charge the devices faster, power mirror adjustments, headlight controls, DRLs, windshield washer controls. I'll go ahead and start it up. Let's go ahead and close the door, block out some of that engine noise. And as you can see here, we have 29,199 miles. Probably will be at 29,200 by the time we get it in and out the lot. As you can see here on the steering wheel controls, we'll have our sound controls. Here you are able to change your functions such as songs and such. Here we have our call, accept and decline settings, Siri, display. As you can see, as we click the display button, it will change to our current range, our running time, our speed, or how the vehicle is set up for the differential and everything else. Here in our main multimedia system, you will find this, I would say it's around 5.5-inch display, where you can have the stock Toyota navigation, or you can switch it to Bluetooth audio, iHeartRadio, aux USB, and it is a touchscreen, as you can see. It's like a radio, and you're able to reorder this based on the ones you use the most as well. Here you'll find navigation, live traffic settings, weather settings, maintenance, destination search, save destinations, your fuel guide, your weather, and more. Once we get to home, you'll automatically be presented with the audio settings and navigation, so you can have a split between the displays. And as you can see here, as you touch, you'll go fully into the navigation, or you can just write down a destination, add a point of interest, and etc. Let's go back to home. Here we have our 4-wheel drive settings. You would have to leave the vehicle neutral, and then you're able to change it to whatever you would like. Here in the bottom, you'll find USB aux and a 12-volt lighter adapter, as you can see here. Little storage, cup holder, little storage here as well. I would say you can likely keep your wallet here. Cup holder, your gear selector, heated seat settings. Let's go ahead and turn this one all the way up. Carbon fiber trim here in the center. Here you'll find some extra storage with an extra 12-volt lighter adapter here in the center and a coin holder next to it. Now going on to the passenger side, you will see a little door handle to assist you in getting in and out of the vehicle. Up above us, sunroof. Here's sunroof controls, garage door opener, sunroof slider. Here you're able to find your off-road settings and how heavy the car reacts to certain situations. So here you can see the different scenarios you'll be put into. As you can see, we have a little camel here on the side. Let's see. There we go. Camel, I believe, is snow mode next to it. I can't really tell what the other one is. And this one obviously is off-roading. So heavy terrain, and you can change it to wherever terrain you be on. Here you can lock your differential, traction control off, And going back to our seats here, you'll find this beautiful red TRD stitching on the seats as well. Let's go ahead and shut our engine off, but as you can see, no lights on the dash, absolutely zero issues, no abnormal sounds on the engine, no noises, no knocking, no ticking, nothing of the sort. Taking a look at our back seats here, the same black and red stitching. Here you'll find two 12-volt lighter port adapters, climate control settings, storage, some more storage at the doors. Here we have a cabin view, our sunroof once again. Now let's go ahead and open up our trunk. And beautiful, super spacious trunk. Here you'll find the AC adapter we were mentioning earlier. You can switch it on or off. 12-volt lighter adapter right next to it. All-weather floor mats. And some extra space. Let's go ahead and close this up. Whoop. And as you can see, right under there, you'll find your spare tire, tow hitch, blacked out exhaust tips, and all blacked out badging as well. As you notice, front and rear, all badges are blacked out, other than the actual main Toyota logo. There you have it, guys. Once again, 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road, 29,000 miles. Available for sale here at TJ Chapman Auto. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one.